DAWN News Dictation number 20, speed 60 words per minute. Start.
A judicial commission investigating the deadly Gul Plaza fire in Karachi was informed by the Karachi Metropolitan Corporation start KMC over that the responsibility for conducting fire and safety audits lies with the Directorate of Civil Defense and Rescue 1122 rather than the municipal authority. Full stop. In a written reply submitted to the Commission headed by Justice Aga Faisal of the Sindh High Court, Municipal Commissioner Sumaira Hussain stated that although firefighting services were assigned to the KMC under the Sindh Local Government Act 2013, the Sindh Emergency Rescue Service Act 2023 transferred firefighting and rescue responsibilities to Rescue 1122. Full stop. She explained that the KMC mainly acts as a land-owning agency that grants leases for properties, including the land where Gul Plaza was constructed. Full stop. According to her, the corporation's responsibility regarding surrounding roads is limited to development, maintenance, and removal of encroachments from main roads, while internal streets around the building fall under the jurisdiction of the Sadr Town Municipal Corporation. Full stop. She further stated that the KMC had voluntarily conducted fire safety audits of more than 200 buildings and shared the report with the Karachi Commissioner in January 2024, but no concrete action was taken afterward by the district administration despite the National Disaster Management Act 2010 assigning disaster management responsibilities to district authorities headed by Deputy Commissioner. Full stop. She also noted that traffic congestion caused by the construction of the Green Line BRT project on MA Jinnah Road, along with parked vehicles and crowds gathered near the building, created difficulties for rescue operations. Full stop. The KMC stated that the Central Fire Station received a call at 10:26 p.m. and immediately dispatched a fire tender, which reached the site at around 10:37 while municipal staff assisted the operation along with police and rescue 11 teams. Full stop. Meanwhile, ambulance drivers from the ED Foundation and Chipa Welfare Association testified that they rescued trapped people by driving their vehicles to upper floors through a ramp after breaking a locked iron gate. Full stop. They also stated that they had no masks or safety equipment while conducting rescue efforts. Full stop.